Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best standalone microphone out there, the Elgato Wave 3 White. This premium USB condenser mic is not just a game changer, it's a game winner. Let's kick things off by talking about the key features that make the Elgato Wave 3 White stand out from the crowd. First up, it's a cardioid condenser capsule. This bad boy captures your voice with unparalleled clarity and detail, making sure every word you speak is crystal clear. But that's just the beginning. With the WaveLink app, you're not just getting a microphone, you're getting a full-blown audio control center. Mix up to 8 different audio sources, create 2 independent mixes, and take full control of your audio workflow like a pro. And let's not forget about the sleek design and user-friendly features. From the capacitive mute sensor to the multifunctional dial, every aspect of the Wave 3 White is designed with the user in mind. It's not just a microphone, it's a statement piece for your setup. But what sets the Elgato Wave 3 White apart is its audio quality. With a 24-bit 96 kHz analog to digital converter and proprietary clipguard technology, distortion becomes a thing of the past. Say goodbye to clipping and hello to professional broadcast audio quality. So there you have it, folks, the Elgato Wave 3 White. With its premium design, top-notch features, and unbeatable audio quality. It's not just the best standalone microphone on the market, it's a game-changer for content creators everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy streaming!